The present census of poultry is almost 40 million. Nowadays, the 93% are accommodated in cage. The rest of them are distributed between loose hens, hens in floor, and ecological ones. The present situation. Every single fold are found currently in 1,025 egg-laying farms. Ecological farms, the same as loose farms, had increased since 2008, in especially the ecological ones. On the contrary, the farms which have hens in floor have decreased.
The poultry houses for laying hens have a steel structure adjoined by high-strength steel screws covered by a sandwich panel with insulation on the facade. Sandwich panels are used inside the structure to combat the attack of different pests which destroy the insulation. For the cover also is used panel with insulation screw on straps that are arranged on the structure. These poultry houses must also have a false panel ceiling, and all joints must are round for easy cleaning. Have a good sanitary profile, it's very important.
There are ventilation flaps installed on gables in order to control the air entrance. To complete this insulation, transport and access doors must be completely insulated, especially from the part below. A ventilation system has to be installed based on fans that must be covered in its outside to prevent from penetrating cold air or even light from outside. On the other hand, the floor should be concrete. It is recommended the installation of on-the-floor heating to maintain a constant temperature so we can improve our production.
The basic equipment required are lifting system for feed line and hoppers on which the feeders are arranged, drinkers with a system of self-regulation of the pressure in the water line to realize a correct supply in quantity as in time, heating system that allows to maintain a correct temperature inside the industrial warehouse, cooling system which helps to avoid heat stroke by nebulizers and evaporative panels, lighting because it's necessary to light the industrial warehouse between 12 and 14 hours a day to maximize egg production.
Ecological farm. In this type of farms, hens must be kept in open space and not in cage, so that apart from building a building with similar characteristics to the previous one and concrete floor, sufficient space should be allocated to the construction of corrals, which will have protected from extreme temperatures and rain.